In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter transactions by tags in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Filtering by tags helps you analyze spending in a more flexible way than categories alone. For example, if you tag multiple expenses as vacation, you can quickly see your total trip costs even if they're spread across food, hotels, transport, and shopping. To do this, go to the Transactions page. At the top, open the filter bar, then select Tags. Choose the tag you want, and a list will instantly update. You can also combine it with filters like category, merchant, account, goals, amount, or other to narrow down your results even more. If you want a summary view, go to Reports. Pick a time period like this month, then apply your tag filter. This will show total, spending, and breakdowns based on that tag, making it easier to understand your spending patterns. You can also save filtered views so you don't have to set them again every time. Plus, you can search transactions using tag names or set rules to automatically apply tags for faster organization. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.